You're watching All Things Antonia. I hope you subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to All Things Antonia. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my very first package from Influenster. So I'm so excited that Influenster chose me to be a part of this campaign. So they've just sent me a few items that I'm going to share with you guys. I'm going to do a review on these once I use them, and I'll update you and let you know how I am liking them. I'll give you my honest thoughts on these products. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing what I got, just keep watching. Okay, so I'm gonna try to do this, I don't know, kind of vlog style, I guess, because I'm just so excited. I just wanted to like sit down on the floor and open it up and show you what I got. So it comes in a nice box like this, and it's only a couple of items. It's not a lot. So the first item that I have here is this Gold Bond Ultimate Overnight Deep Moisturizing Lotion, and it says that it penetrates 10 surface layers. Is that right? Ooh. So let's see, it says that it works through the night and into the next day. That's very interesting. It has hyaluronic acid, it has melatonin and antioxidants, and it has a nice calming scent. So I am super duper excited to try this. It has 7 replenishing moisturizers, and yeah, I have very dry skin. We are having some very cold weather. I think it was like 17 degrees on my way to work this morning, so, and it was like 29 degrees on my way home tonight. So super excited to try this. I will definitely be testing this out tonight. Okay, and let's see. Looks like I see a card down here, so maybe I should have read over this card first. So yeah, make sure there's no personal information on it. I'll just cover that. So this is their card, and it is the hashtag Year of You Voxbox from Influencer. And let's see. Okay, so the Gold Bond Ultimate Lotion retails for $7.99. So yeah, that's a very good deal. So I'm gonna definitely test that out. And this card also just tells you everything that's in the box. Let's start with this. So the next item that I see here is a dry deodorant spray, and this is perfect timing because I'm almost out of my deodorant spray, and so I was actually going to be going to purchase more, so this is perfect timing. This is by Suave. It's the dry spray. It says it's new, and I've never tried the Suave dry spray deodorant before, but it says it has 48-hour protection, and this is the powder fragrance. And let's look on our card here and see what it says. The Suave dry spray deodorant retails for $4.49. Okay. Let's see, and this right here, I can open it with one hand. Oh, okay, let's see. I got a pair of scissors right here. Okay, so this is Classico Organic Tomato and Basil Pasta Sauce. Ooh, USDA organic. Perfect. I am, or I have been eating organic for the last couple of years, I guess. But yeah, so I love making spaghetti, and this will definitely come in handy. And I will let you guys know my thoughts on this because I've never tried this. I think I've tried this brand before, but I don't think I've tried this one exactly, the organic tomato and basil pasta sauce. So this retails for $2.78, so that's a good deal there. It says Classico is bringing you a new organic line, so it is new, okay. Crafted from USDA certified organic ingredients to create a perfectly balanced and delicious sauce the whole family will love. So definitely excited to try that out. And so the last thing that I have here in this box, ooh, pretty. It's a set of lashes, and these are Kiss lashes, and these are called Bustler, or is it Bustier? I think it's Bustier. Oh, but these are nice lashes. They're called Triple Push-Up from the Triple Push-Up collection. And this is Lash Couture. Nice. I really like those. Those are very pretty. They're very dramatic. They kind of look like mink lashes maybe a little bit. I don't know. I'm not really into falsies, which I want to be, and I've been kind of practicing on doing lashes, so maybe I'll do a video on that and we'll see how they come out. But yeah, I'm super duper excited to try these out. And the card says that these Kiss lashes retail for $3.99 to $6.99, so that's a good deal on those. From subtle to glam, Look at Me lashes are yours in an instant with Kiss. With hassle-free application and so many flattering styles to choose from, it's never been easier to bring the salon home and DIY. You won't believe your eyes. So super duper excited to try those, you guys. Stay tuned for a review on these products to come. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna try this lotion out tonight, and this pasta sauce may be dinner one night this week. So thank you, Influenster, for sending me this package. And for all of my subscribers and for you guys watching, be sure to stay tuned for a review coming up, or follow me on my social media. You can find me on Twitter, Instagram, Google+. Just check my description box. I have all the links where you can follow me on social media, and I'll see you guys there. Thanks for watching. Bye.